Are you aware you can earn from the newly started airdrops of the Glyph Exchange on the Satoshi app? Do yourself some good and get over here. The Core blockchain network is a revolutionary Bitcoin-powered Layer 1 blockchain for EVM-compatible smart contracts. With an astonishing 50% of Bitcoin mining hash power contributing to Core's security in exchange for unlocking Bitcoin utility and rewards, Core stands as the most Bitcoin-aligned EVM blockchain, offering BTC-Fi, Bitcoin staking, and so much more. This breakthrough has rallied a massive community of 2.2 million Twitter followers and 250K Discord members, translating into millions of Core adopters, over 15 million unique addresses, and 230 million transactions since its mainnet launch in January 2023. The Core Satoshi team, in partnership with various DeFi platforms, proudly announces the launch of the Glyph Exchange project on the Core DAO blockchain. Glyph Exchange is setting new heights in DeFi, rapidly making traditional finance a thing of the past. And now, Glyph Exchange is ready to shake things up by launching its first airdrop on the Core DAO chain app, starting today, the 8th of April. I'll guide you on how to participate and claim airdrops in the Core Satoshi and Glyph Exchange partnership project. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe if you're new here, so you don't miss out on updates about projects we bring your way. Here on this channel, we explore free cryptocurrency project mining and airdrop activities that earn you passive income from the DeFi and blockchain world. Let's get right into how you can be part of this exciting airdrop. First, click the link in the description of this video and register an account on the Satoshi Core application. On the Satoshi Core website, tap on the Register and Start Airdrop button. Feel free to do your own due diligence by reading the privacy policy located just below the Next button. After reading, enter your email address in the provided space and accept the privacy policy terms by checking the checkbox. You'll receive a code in your email from Satoshi. Remember, there's no need to close the web page, and keep an eye on the timer to avoid the need for regenerating the code. Check your email inbox, copy the code, and head back to the Core Satoshi website to enter it. Click Next. Now, you'll be prompted to create a password for your account. Make sure to store this password safely, as you'll need it for future activities on the app. After setting up your password, hit the Register button. Finally, to kickstart your airdropping journey, download the Satoshi app suitable for your device, be it Android or iOS. And there you have it. You're all set to dive into the world of airdrops with the Satoshi Core and Glyph Exchange. Let's make some waves in the DeFi space. After downloading and installing the app, open the app, click on the Login. Enter your registered email address once again and enter your password. You will need to carry out the verification of your identity on the app. Click on the Personal Settings section of your profile in the app. Then click the Login button. Personal Settings section of your profile in the app. Locate the I'm not a robot verification and click on the pop-up window. Select Allow for all actions that display. Then click on the Start Verification button. The camera pops open to take a snapshot of your face. You have to position your face completely on the circular space where you see your image in the app. Listen to the AI agent voice instructions, and your verification will be done in a split of seconds. You will come back here to check that your account has been verified. This will take about or less than 10 minutes. Next, head over to the Project section at the bottom of the app. Click to access. Here, you will find two main tabs, All and Selected. Next to it is a search button. If you do not find the Glyph Exchange OG project already there, click the search button, enter Glyph Exchange and search. Now with the project found, click on the Start Airdropping. This shows that you have signed on for the project. As of the time of making this video, the airdropping is yet to begin. Head over to the Mining button at the bottom of the application and click. On the mining page, you will find a button to begin mining. You are expected to come here to claim your mining in a circle of 24 airdrop rounds. On the 25th round, if you do not claim your tokens, your mining will be suspended until the tokens are claimed. So remember to claim daily. You can set up an alarm if you are the busy type like me. So as not to make this video long, I will make an update video when airdropping on the project officially begins. If this video has been valuable to you, I will encourage you to click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, and you will be sure to get quality updates from this channel. Just in a few hours, watch out, back here will be more updates on this project. I'll see you when we get there. Peace. How's that for a boost of enthusiasm? Ready to dive into the world of airdrops now?